If you're still spending hours manually resizing graphics, hunting for color palettes, or wrestling with backgrounds, you're already falling behind. In 2026, AI has completely rewritten what a modern graphic design workflow looks like. The tools available today are so powerful that a single designer can produce what used to require an entire team. We tested dozens of AI design tools over the past few months, and we narrowed it down to the 10 absolute best ones. These are the tools we actually use every day in our own studio. They've cut our production time in half, our output quality has gone up, and honestly, some of them still surprise us. So let's get into it. Number 1. Adobe Firefly, Generative Design at Scale. First on our list is Adobe Firefly, and if you work in any kind of professional design environment, this one is basically non-negotiable in 2026. Adobe has done something really smart here. They've trained Firefly on commercially licensed content, which means everything you generate is safe to use in client work without worrying about copyright issues. We use it constantly for two things: generative fill and text effects. The generative fill lets you extend images, remove objects, or swap backgrounds in seconds, and the results blend so naturally it's hard to tell it was AI. The text effect generator turns plain words into fully styled typographic art with a single prompt. Type melting chrome on dark concrete, and it actually delivers that. For marketing teams producing high volumes of visual assets, Firefly integrates directly into Photoshop, Illustrator, and Express. That means you're not switching between apps. The AI lives right inside your existing workflow. We went from spending 45 minutes on a single banner ad to under 10. That kind of efficiency change is real. Number 2. Midjourney V7, AI Image Generation. Next up is Midjourney, which in 2026 has hit a level of image quality that genuinely feels cinematic. The latest version introduced a feature called character consistency, which means you can now maintain the same face, style, or product across multiple generated images, something that was nearly impossible before without heavy Photoshop work. We used it for a brand campaign that needed 30 different lifestyle images with the same model and aesthetic tone. What would have taken a full photo shoot and a week of editing was done in an afternoon. The level of control you now have through parameters like style reference, character reference, and aspect ratio has matured significantly. One thing we always tell people: approach Midjourney as a creative collaborator, not a replacement for your own vision. The designers who get the best results are the ones who write detailed, thoughtful prompts based on their actual creative direction. It rewards craft. Used ethically and intelligently, it is one of the most powerful creative tools available to any designer today. Number 3. Figma AI, Smarter Collaboration. Figma has been the industry standard for UI and product design for years, but the AI features they've rolled out have made it genuinely transformative. The feature we use the most is auto layout combined with the new AI-powered rename and organize tools. They save an embarrassing amount of time on what used to be the most tedious parts of design work. The AI can now generate entire UI screens from a text description, suggest design variations, and even write copy directly inside your frames. For rapid prototyping, the turnaround time is extraordinary. We can go from a brief to a clickable prototype in hours instead of days. The collaboration aspect still leads the industry. Everyone from designers to developers to product managers can work inside the same file, and with dev mode the code handoff is seamless. If you're working on any kind of digital product, app, website, SaaS platform, Figma with AI is the backbone of your operation. There's really no equivalent. Number 4. Canva AI, the content machine. Canva has transformed from a simple drag-and-drop tool into a full AI-powered content creation suite, and in 2026 it belongs in every designer's stack. Magic Studio, their AI layer, now includes an image generator, a writing assistant, a background remover, a video editor, and a brand kit manager all in one place. What makes Canva especially powerful for teams is Brand Hub. You upload your logo, color palette, and fonts once, and from that point forward, every template, every generated image, every piece of content automatically conforms to your brand standards. For agencies or businesses managing multiple clients, this is a game changer. We've used it for everything from social media graphics to pitch decks to email headers. The Magic Resize tool alone, which reformats a single design into every platform size with a click, has saved us hours every single week. For content creators, small businesses, and marketing teams with tight timelines, Canva AI is one of the most practical investments you can make. Number 5. Recraft V3, Vector and Illustration Generation. Recraft is one that a lot of designers haven't heard of yet, but that needs to change immediately. It is the best AI tool available specifically for generating vector art, icons, brand illustrations, and consistent design systems, and it does things that no other tool on this list can do. The standout feature is style consistency. You can define a custom visual style, a specific illustration aesthetic, color palette, line weight, and then generate unlimited assets that all look like they came from the same artist. For brand identity work, this is remarkable. We created an entire icon library for a client in a single afternoon using Recraft. It also outputs clean, editable SVG files, which means the assets flow directly into Figma or Illustrator without any rasterization issues. If your work involves creating visual systems, product illustrations, or brand assets at scale, Recraft V3 is genuinely one of the most underrated tools in the industry right now. We recommend it without hesitation. Number 6. Let's enhance image upscaling and quality. Every design team encounters the same problem eventually. A client sends you a low-resolution image and needs it to look professional on a billboard, a website header, or a printed brochure. Let's Enhance is the tool that solves this better than anything else we've tested. Using a neural network trained specifically on image detail reconstruction, it can upscale photos by up to 16 times without the blurry, artificial look you get from standard enlargement. The difference between a raw upscale and a Let's Enhance result is immediately visible. Textures are sharper, edges are clean, and the image holds up at large sizes. We use it regularly for e-commerce clients who rely on user-generated content. Customers take photos on their phones, and those images need to look polished on a product page. Let's Enhance bridges that gap efficiently. They offer a free tier to get started, and the paid plans are reasonably priced for the volume of work they support. For any designer who deals with image quality issues regularly, this one earns its place in the toolkit. Number 7. Khroma AI Color Intelligence. Color decisions can make or break a design, and Khroma is the most intelligent AI color tool we've come across. The way it works is genuinely clever. When you first set it up, you select 50 colors that appeal to you personally. From that input, Khroma trains a custom neural network that learns your color preferences and generates infinite palettes tailored specifically to your aesthetic sensibility. The results are not generic or random. They feel curated. Every combination Khroma suggests feels intentional and harmonious, because it's working from your actual taste profile rather than a database of arbitrary pairings. You can browse combinations as gradients, typography previews, image overlays, and full palette swatches. It's brilliant for brand color exploration, UI color systems, and creative direction work. What used to require hours of manual experimentation and color theory knowledge now takes minutes. We've introduced Khroma to several designers on our team who were initially skeptical, and every single one of them now uses it as a standard part of their process. Number 8. Uizard Rapid UI Prototyping. Uizard is built for speed, and it delivers. The core concept is that you can turn a hand-drawn sketch into a fully digital, editable UI mockup in seconds. You sketch a wireframe on paper, take a photo, upload it to Uizard, and the AI converts it into a clean digital design that's ready to iterate on. For the early stages of a project, this workflow is unbeatable. The AI designer feature takes it further. You describe a product in plain language and it generates an entire multi-screen design concept instantly. We've used this to kick off client presentations with a working visual prototype the same day we received the brief, which used to be impossible. The collaboration and handoff tools are solid, and the interface is accessible enough that non-designers, product managers, founders, stakeholders can contribute meaningfully. For startups moving fast or any design team that needs to validate concepts quickly without committing to full production work, Uizard is one of the most efficient tools available. Number 9. Vance AI, Photo Editing Automation. Vance AI is a comprehensive suite of automated photo editing tools, and the breadth of what it handles is genuinely impressive. The image upscaler produces results that compete with Let's Enhance. The background remover works cleanly even on complex subjects like hair and transparent objects. The photo restorer can recover detail from old or damaged images with a level of quality that used to require specialist retouching skills. The tool that gets used most in our studio is the AI image sharpener. We deal with a lot of photography that comes in slightly soft, motion blur, focus issues, camera limitations, and the sharpener recovers detail intelligently rather than just increasing edge contrast the way traditional sharpening does. The difference in quality is meaningful. What's worth highlighting is how the sharpener handles different types of blur differently. Motion blur, lens softness, and compression artifacts each degrade an image in distinct ways, and a blunt sharpening filter treats them all the same. Vance AI's approach is more surgical. It reads the nature of the problem and applies the appropriate correction, which is why the results hold up under close inspection rather than introducing the artificial crispness that makes heavily processed images look over-edited. Batch processing is what makes Vance AI practical at scale. You can run hundreds of images through any combination of enhancements simultaneously, which is essential for e-commerce operations or any team processing large volumes of visual content. It handles the repetitive, time-consuming work so your team can focus on the creative decisions that actually need human judgment. The pricing is also structured sensibly for teams, with credit-based plans that scale to your actual usage rather than locking you into a fixed tier. For studios that need reliable, high-quality image processing without the overhead of manual editing, Vance AI earns its place in the toolkit without reservation. Number 10. Designify, Automated Product Photography. The last tool on our list is Designify, and we saved it for last because it solves a very specific problem with remarkable precision. If you produce product photography for e-commerce, advertising, or social media, Designify will change your workflow completely. You upload a raw product photo, even one taken in poor lighting against a messy background, and the AI automatically removes the background, places the product on a clean surface with realistic shadows, adjusts the lighting for a professional look, and outputs a finished image ready for use. The whole process takes seconds per image. We tested it on automotive photography, small product shots, and packaged goods, and across all three the output quality was consistently strong. The Smart Editor lets you fine-tune shadows, add brand elements, and adjust the color grading to match your visual standards. Batch processing handles volume efficiently. What makes Designify stand out beyond its core function is how thoughtfully it handles edge cases. Transparent packaging, reflective surfaces, intricate product edges, these are the kinds of details that used to require a skilled retoucher and a significant time investment. Designify navigates them with a level of accuracy that genuinely surprised us during testing. Glass bottles, chrome finishes, and products with fine perforated details all came through cleanly, without the frayed edges or artificial halos you often see from lesser tools. The platform also gives you control over the output environment. You're not locked into one generic white background. You can choose from a library of curated surface textures, gradient backdrops, and lifestyle-inspired settings that place your product in context without a full studio shoot. For brands that need variety across their catalog, different colorways, different seasonal themes, different platform specifications, this flexibility alone is worth the subscription cost. There's also a direct integration with major e-commerce platforms, which means once your image is processed, it can be exported in the exact dimensions and file formats required by Amazon, Shopify, or wherever your products live. That removes yet another manual step from the pipeline and keeps everything moving without unnecessary friction. For e-commerce brands, digital agencies, and marketers who produce large quantities of product visuals, Designify eliminates what used to be one of the most expensive and time-consuming parts of the production process. What once required a photography studio, a lighting setup, a skilled editor, and a multi-day turnaround can now be handled in an afternoon by a single person with a decent camera and a Designify account. It's a reliable, intelligent tool and a fitting close to this list. So there you have it, 10 AI tools that are genuinely reshaping what graphic design looks like in 2026. From image generation to color intelligence, vector creation to automated photography, each one solves a real problem that used to eat hours out of your week. And what's worth noting is that this isn't the ceiling, it's closer to the floor. These tools are improving at a pace that would have seemed unrealistic just 2 or 3 years ago. Features that feel impressive today will be standard within a year. That's not a reason to feel overwhelmed. It's a reason to start now, build familiarity early, and position yourself ahead of the curve rather than scrambling to catch up later. The designers who are thriving right now aren't the ones ignoring these tools, they're the ones who learned them early and built them into a workflow that amplifies their creative judgment. AI handles the volume and the repetition. You handle the vision and the craft. That division of labor, when you get it right, doesn't diminish the work. It elevates it. You spend less time on the mechanical and more time on the decisions that actually require taste, experience, and strategic thinking. That's the real opportunity here, not just saving time, but reclaiming it for the parts of the job that genuinely matter. If you found this video useful, drop a comment below and let us know which tool you're most excited to try. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of what's actually changing in the industry. We test these tools every week so you don't have to.